Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make 3 types of Halloween nail art. Pumpkins and ghosts are synonymous with Halloween, so why not incorporate these motifs into your nail art and enjoy Halloween on your nails? This time I will show you how to make 3 types of nail art at once, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. The first one is nail art with the pumpkin motif, which is synonymous with Halloween. First, apply the entire nail with purple. Once you've applied it all over, harden it with the light, then apply it a second coat and harden it. Next, apply the entire nail with non-white matte coat and harden it with the light. Next, draw a pumpkin with orange. Draw 2 mountains on the base of the nail and fill them in. Once you fill it in, harden it once and apply it a second coat. Next, blend the black into a long thin line brush and draw the lines. First, outline the 2 bumps. Next, extend the line of the bumps to draw an oval. Draw similar curves on either side of the oval to create the indentations in the pumpkin. After drawing the pumpkin, draw a long thin triangle in the pumpkin's hollow to create the stem. After filling in the inside of the triangle, draw a curved line to add decoration. Once you've done this, harden it under the light. Next, use icing gel or builder gel to plump up the pumpkin. Take plenty of gel on a long thin line brush, place it on the base of the nail, and then slowly pull it towards the tip of the nail. If there's not enough gel, add more to make it plump. Each time you draw one, put it under the light for a few seconds to temporarily cure it, being careful not to let the gel drip. Once you finish drawing everything, hold it firmly under the light to harden it. Next, take white with a dot pen or toothpick and draw 2 large dots in the empty spaces and about 5 small dots. Next, switch to a long thin brush and draw a cross from the center of the large dot to the outside. Once you've finished drawing this far, harden it with the light. Finally, apply a non-white top coat only to the pumpkin and stars and let it harden. This completes the pumpkin Halloween nail art. Next, let's make ghost nail art with magnetic gel. First, apply 2 coats of black to the entire nail. Next, apply silver magnetic gel to the entire nail. Once you've spread it over the entire nail, place a magnet directly to the side of the nail to gradually gather the glitter particles in the center of the nail. Once you've done this, harden it with the light. Next, apply sheer violet to the entire nail to add color to the glittery areas. If you use a translucent color gel here, you can change the color like this. Apply 2 coats and let it harden. Next, take black with a thin brush and draw a ghost's face on the sparkly parts. First, draw 2 large vertical ovals, 2 small dots for the nose, and a curved line below them. Next, draw several short vertical lines that intersect with the curved lines. Once you finish drawing this far, let it harden. Finally, apply a non-wipe top coat and harden it. Now your Halloween nail art where ghost faces can be seen and hidden is complete. Finally, let's create a cool-looking spiderweb nail art. First, apply 2 coats of black. Next, apply a thin layer of sheer white over the entire nail. After spreading it out, add more gel to the center of the nail and move the brush towards while rotating it. This will create a gradation of ghost colors that are white in the center and blackish towards the outside. Next, use a long thin brush to apply black to draw a spider web. Draw 5 lines radiating from the right side of the base of the nail. Next, draw several curved lines connecting the lines. Once you finish drawing everything, harden it under a light. Finally, apply a non-wipe top coat and harden it. Now the cool spider web nail art is complete. What did you think of these 3 Halloween nail arts? For Halloween art, use the fall color purple, orange, black and white to create a Halloween feel. So why not try incorporating these colors into your own art? Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.